Today we point out the basic information of the sports car the Nissan Z. Overview. The Nissan Z is a sports car produced by Nissan, a Japanese automaker. It's a rear-wheel drive, two-seat coupe or convertible. Generations: 1. Datsun 240Z, 1969 to 1973. 2. Datsun 260Z, 1974 to 1975. 3. Datsun 280Z, 1975 to 1978. 4. Nissan 280ZX, 1979 to 1983. 5. Nissan 300ZX, 1984 to 1996. 6. Nissan 350Z, 2003 to 2009. 7. Nissan 370Z, 2009 to 2020. 8. Nissan Z, 2023 present. Current model, 2023 Plus. Engine, 3.0 liters twin-turbo V6, 405 horsepower. Transmission, 6-speed manual or 9-speed automatic. Drive type, rear-wheel drive. Length/width/height, 172.5 72.8 51.8 inches. Wheelbase, 100.4 inches. Curb weight, 3,486 3,734 pounds. 0 to 60 miles per hour, 4.5 seconds. Estimated top speed, 155 miles per hour. Electronically limited. Features: sport-tuned suspension, 18-inch alloy wheels, LED headlights and taillights, 8-inch touchscreen display, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Safety features like automatic emergency braking and blind spot monitoring. Price: 2023, starting around $41,000. Base model, up to $60,000. High performance trim. Thanks for watching my videos and please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more updates.